man, we're pissing a buckle and have it stored in a room is nasty and waste man thing them there. What is it as a piss storage?
I tell this Mary, waste man thing and rare.
But a waste man something them there. No, piss. So my piss here for you. Oh yeah, everybody. Rush piss in the bed. You piss up the room. I left piss in a buckle.
It is obvious, that I'm in love with you, girl. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting just to see you. Baby, it is obvious, that I'm in love with you, girl. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting just to see you.
Wagwan peeps, we're there. In morning, just wake up and you know what I mean? Go in the bathroom, use the bathroom, if you take a leak. Stop clicking on my head. What we go on now? Now piss in a bowl. We have piss in our buckle. I'm going to put it down, run on my side of the bed. You don't know, she just get up and clean up, you see me? So, she'll get dark, you know. I know that, you know, because you don't know the things that, you know, a neat freak and clean freak, you know, so you don't know the things that, you know, you know what I mean, so, you know what I mean, I go in my buckle, you know, you see it? And then, when you don't know, remember, yeah, your Rash Nation, you know what they do, yeah man, that's the other thing when they comment them, yes, because you don't know, she go on like and go on, you see me, a couple times she prank me, you know, the prank is on now, you see me, alright then, me a pissing on my buckle now, yo, me pissing on my buckle, on the ramp with me, you don't know the thing said, the rash your teeth and think of juice and go drink. You don't know the thing said, you know, me have to go, me in the room and now, and watch her go, until she go run, so me have to go set up fast, you don't know the thing said, because when she come to the bathroom, you know, she up on her phone and all these things, so, I don't know, stay tuned for it, you don't know, she go get crazy in the morning, yeah, happy Sabbath. Yo peeps, she's done her bathroom, you know. Peace, yeah. I piss this, you know. A ras in a day. Remember I told you. Damn. Come on, don't ramp yourself. But I saw you go still when I saw you go. Yeah man. Too long man. I go tell her, say, please kiss my use the bathroom. Yeah. What? young man.
Hi, baby. I'm gonna check some email or something.
She there fuck around on phone and thing, but you don't know the thing setting up. Me know she got me know no man. So me out now. Me out. Yo, me I go to the door.
If you get up. Oh, I'm tired. I'm gonna start stripping up this room here. Good morning, South Florida. Oh, it's so pretty. Today is a beautiful day. Wow. Outside nice. Ready to start. We'll get ready to start. Yeah. Ready to start the day. Wow. I'm sorry.
Alright, let's have one list of you ball out. Like a doorway. Remember me tell her that.
What the hell? What is that? What is someone having a buckle? What the hell is this? I could never want me to think it is. It must be friggin' crazy. Oh, I walk on a piss this, you know? This could have never be pissing in the room. Babes!
She called me.
Come here, please.
Babe! Welcome.
No, I must. Could you come here, please? I must freaking joke in my neck. Or this better not be what I think it is. Babes, I want this in another bucket here. When we say a girl.
I look at people, man.
Look at what?
I look at people. Last time I couldn't bother get up, man.
No. Wait. wait there. You said, why not a bucket here?
I said, look at people. Make me couldn't bother get up to go to the bathroom last night.
So what kind of nastiness this? In the room? What kind of nastiness this? What kind of nasty man me there with?
What kind of working and what do you mean nasty?
This is nasty. Alright. You say you couldn't get to the bathroom. I say you lazy, you can't get to use the bathroom.
People piss all bed and something that. Right? We don't call it nasty.
Any man, big man, will piss bed, nasty. Any big man will piss in a bottle and have it stored in a room is nasty and waste man thing them there. And what kind of style that?
Yeah, remember I go work yesterday and I hold sun and hold day. When we wake up, if you go piss it, we just drink a bottle of water and just piss in a bottle, man. We couldn't bother going back.
So you couldn't bother, so alright, so you wake up from morning. You want to tell me so you couldn't take it up? Why you have it, what is it, just a piss storage? What kind of thing are they on? This is not a piss storage where you have, alright, can't say you couldn't go to the bathroom because you lazy, you waste man. Why you left the piss in a room, in the corner, that's so, like say we have store piss in our room?
Me don't remember it, man. You talk too much, man. Just people, your people are piss bed.
You piss bed?
people.
You piss me? You talk about me. Me not business about nobody. Me not business about nobody. Me not business about people. And you me a talk about. Big man like you. I piss in a bucket and I left it in a room.
Easy.
Like said, in here is a piss storage.
Ease yourself. Ease yourself. Just give me.
Me not, yo, me can't easy, yo. Me can't believe. Say you really a store piss in the room. Me can't believe this.
Baby.
And you know I'm staying. He's a very clean girl. For me,
Yeah,
just say I spread up my bed. I'm gonna come on the can. I'm gonna buck up one buckle of piece.
Yeah, and this Mary. Waste man thing and Ray.
But a waste man, some of them there. Which man pissing in them room and left it in a buckle and them something like an outer door you live. And the outer door you live, in our room we there.
Babe, chill man. I just took a piss. I forgot the piss in the morning when we get up. We get up and go exercise and lift.
And then you want to catch an attitude point to point. Like say, you don't do nothing wrong. Yeah, but you don't have to justify the piss either.
But me don't tell you say, I piss and me forgot it. What else you want me to do?
You don't want to do with no man where store pissing in a room. This don't make no sense, bro. This don't make no sense at all. And then you come in the part of it and come talk about, oh, me did couldn't get up but I forget up last night. Y'all pick me? Y'all pick me?
Stop.
Y'all pick me?
May I wake up the people?
Me now wake up nobody. But if you wake them up to make them know you're nasty, and that if you do. Tell everybody, Rush piss in the bed, and piss up the room, I left piss in the buckle. Yeah, I'm gonna make everybody know you stand. You're nasty.
Ease yourself.
You're nasty. Come to my face too, man. You're too nasty, man. Take up your piss, man, and go on with your business with it, man. Sure. Me there clean up the room and straighten up the bed and them something there and me come round and say, me a buck up in a piece. Suppose it never recover good, where I jump for? Suppose it never cover good and me kick it over in here.
You have to wipe up, you have to wipe up here.
You can store piss.
You have to wipe it
Come
up.
store your piss them in here.
You want some?
Don't make me root here.
You want some?
Don't make me root here today here. Don't make me root here today. Come on now, what kind of style that?
But if you so
move
clean,
up with your nasty style.
If you so clean, where you take up your buckle of piece for?
Move your nasty style, and that me I tell you.
You want to smell
nasty.
it? Smell it.
It's nasty like don't
make
me dash the piss fire, you know?
Right.
Don't make me dash the piss fire, that me I tell you. Are you bright and out of order?
Are you out of order?
Why you not say sorry? Because you know what?
So me no don't tell us I forgot to sit already. Where's me fi say again? Me fi sorry, so me piss.
You justify your piss when you're leaving here. You should have said, Babes, sorry about that. I wake up in the night and people warn me and you know.
No man, I see him to me tell you, but you me not sorry for it, but me not sorry for this, so me not tell you me sorry. Me tell you what already. The whole day me not son, you know. Tired when we wake up, me just bust a piss, go back to bed. Me get up and go work out this morning, but forgot the piss. What the problem now?
The problem is, in here is like a piss storage. That's the problem.
Yeah, go on.
And the problem is you too.
What?
Because you're nasty. You could have just get up and you're lazy.
So you know me as a nasty man?
Well, no. Me second guess it because me don't understand how you leave people in here. Me never see you do them something there before, so when me can start to do them nasty style now. Me know what kind of thing that. I know what kind, yo. What kind of style that, yo? And then you might come justify the fact that I'm leaving people in the damn room. Like, what do you think this shit is? I want him to come, wait till him come back in here. Wait up in blood, please. Watch me and make him come back in here. I can't wait. Yeah, me. Come back in here and see. And then I come justify. Say people in the room.
Alright, I'm sorry. And that you want to hear?
No, piss. You like that? Oh, you like that? Piss. Since I don't want piss in a room, see I get the piss in the room there. You're too nasty. Move up. You're too nasty. See me call the piss catch on the bed too. With a nasty style.
I hear piss that. See your piss?
My piss.
Your piss in the bucket?
Yeah, piss pan you. Piss pan me. Don't play with me now. Come here, you come whip out things for me now. Don't play with me now.
You see your aggish?
Come out and go on.
You see your aggish?
Nasty.
You see your aggish?
Gonna learn to change your nasty ways.
Yeah, I'm aggish.
Gonna change your nasty ways. You're too nasty. You think this is a damn piss storage?
Watcha.
Don't play with me.
Watcha.
Don't play with me. Where you come up in my face for?
Go here. Watch it. Piss in your room, girl. Me piss in your room. Piss in your room, girl. Me piss in your room. Me piss in your room, girl. Me piss in your room. Yeah, man. Yeah. That's for reach you.
So what you do?
Hug up man piss. I talk about this and that. Hey, me do. No video yo. For show the people you're miserable for every little thing.
Me miserable for every little thing? Me not miserable for every little thing. Me miserable over your nasty piss where you live in here. I really people that in the back of the true?
Yeah.
So why you do that?
Yeah.
So why you do that? Come now laugh with you, know?
Yeah.
Why you do that?
Yo, babes, you don't know the things that me tell us something with that guitar, you know. You don't know, you know. Yeah.
You don't get that nasty.
Yo, I know that she should have one thing of juice and drinks.
I should have really, and you're lucky because I water me have and I tell you say I piss in there and put on you.
What piss
and that me shall do. But you never see it. I only know it song goes up on you and dash it on you when you come in here, you never know. So I piss, I water.
So that I come back? Watch ya. Pissing at the back long gear. Pissing at the back long gear.
We room and a piss storage.
Babes, I don't know the thing set, you know. Yeah. She have one like.
Nothing said.
I mean, the follow back of me there. Rash Nation out there.
Nique there, cuss him.
Rash Nation.
I dash piss on him. You say we cuss him out there.
Rash Nation. Rash Nation.
I cuss him and dash piss on him. Call him Pissy Wissy. And that's the same name. Pissy Wissy.
You don't know the things that no peeps. You don't know. Deal with the comment. Yeah. Piss in a room.
Pissy Wissy. Nasty man. Nasty man. Piss up.
Girl a buckla piss in her hand.
Piss up. Yeah. Piss up.
You see you wake up, boy?
Me have this state. Everybody. Your father pissing.
You see?
Your father piss up.
I was with him.
Your father pissing in the back and leaving at the room.
Mama, I know he told me.
Come in, daddy. Yeah.
The two are nasty. Yeah. And that's over here teach me Pitney for pissing the back and left in the room.
He didn't.
And that's how teach me Pitney.
He didn't tell me about the pee part. He told me about the prank, and then I ended up finding out because I heard you yelling.
Trying to bother with it, you know? Trying to pick up the nasty style where you put and leave it.
Join the mouth.
And that me I tell you.
Mouth long like.
You're too nasty. And I come go on like a prank. Through me catch him. And I come go on like say a prank.
Alright, you got to do my intro already. Friend I bathroom and all them something. It's all good.
Share.
Remember, like, share, comment.
Share. Comment Pissy Wissy.
Say, comment.
Piss up.
Piss in that girl room.
Piss up.
I piss. Me should have pissed on her.
People, that wouldn't go over very well. We probably would never see him again. And that me I tell you now.
Is it real?
Remember, you know, share, comment, like, and all of these good
Team
things.
Nique.
And tell the people
Team
them
Nique
say.
all day, every day.
Team Yuri.
And tell the people them say Rash Nique is here. No, you don't know. Rash Nation, we outside.
People.
We outside.
I fight. We not gonna fight him now.
Fight.
Let me say something to the people them now. And my people them too. People, I fight. Me not gonna fight him next, you know. I'm going upon him now. I come justify the piss when I'm leaving here. And I come go through me catch the piss though. I come go like say my prank me. But you know wait, cause I will be back with a prank. Now worry yourself, I prank him. Myself.
This man,
I got this.
Yeah,
I got this.
Yeah, move like
You're still nasty.
Exterminator.
You're still
I will be
nasty.
back.
Pissy Wissy.
I say him.
Comment down
I will
below.
be back.
Pissy Wissy. Piss up.
Remember, Rash Nation out there. That's the the comment. Yeah, you don't know the thing. We don't know what of them, you know. A little piss. Yeah, I mean, she should have drink it like a red stripe beer.
Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Don't laugh with you. Suppose we did wake up in the middle of the night and drink that for sure.
You're not damn greedy. I might think. You're damn greedy. Bombard. We should have put it on our nightstand from last night.
Don't play with me.
You don't know it. You don't know the things that as I say. Like, share, comment, and all these good things in the comment section. Yeah, I mean, tell a friend. You tell a friend. Say, Rash Nique is here with the piss.